Little Ross was sad. He did not have a nice new tricycle like all the other children. All he had was an old hand-me-down trike. After chuckling, he decided to do something about it and made a trike. That was the envy of the neighborhood. It was the first day of spring and everyone was out riding their nice new shiny tricycle that they go to Christmas. That is everyone but Ross. Ross did not get a nice and shiny tricycle, but he did get his sister's Gray's old trike. Ross was sad. So not only was the trike not new and shiny, it was rusty. How could he ever ride that with all the other boys? Ross looked at the boys riding their nice new shiny trikes. Then he looked at the old hand-me-down that was now his. He pushed the trike into a corner of the garage and slowly walked into the house. "What's wrong?" his mummy asked. "You should be outside riding your trike with the other boys." Well, that almost brought poor Ross to tears. Then he explained to his mummy that his trike was not new, was not shiny, was not nice, and it is rusty. Right away, Ross' mummy understood what was bothering him. He was embarrassed to ride his sister's old trike, especially when everyone else had a new one. She looked at Ross and said, "Let's spend a fun day together. Follow me off the garage spot. We are going to try your trike." Ross did not know what she meant, but in a matter of minutes he found out. The rest of the day, Ross and his mummy were busy in the garage. They took the trike apart, pieces by pieces. They painted it bright red with orange and yellow flames on the handles. They polished the hand labels, tires, pedals, and wheels. They painted, rubbed, scrubbed, buffed, and polished each and every piece. Neither one of them could wait until it was put back together. Piece by piece, part by part, Ross and his mummy put the trike back together. When they were done, they were both amazed. Right in front of them was a one-of-a-kind tricycle, a truly beautiful trike. Ross hugged his mummy and thanked her for all her help. She smiled and told Ross she really enjoyed spending the day with friends. She said, as Ross rode down the street, his mummy heard the other boys saying, "What a great trike! Where did you get that? Wow, look at the trike," Ross says. "Can I get one? Want to ride?" She no. Ras was very happy. Thank you.